has also reacted. D. Raja is backing the impeachment plan, and D. Raja has said judiciary must follow constitution. Listen in.
People have faith in judiciary and they think the last hope for common citizens is judiciary. But here you see huge amount of money lying in one judge's residence. How to explain that? Who brought all those cash, and how the cash was lying in his residence? So it is a serious matter. In order to restore the credibility for our judiciary, there must be some strong action. If impeachment motion is brought in Parliament, let us hope it will lead to restore the confidence of common people in judiciary.
And we have more updates as well coming in at this point in time. Retired High Court judge has also reacted on Times Now's news break. Judiciary corruption has been exposed. His call transfer move a sham action. Justice Dhingra, in fact, has slammed the cover-up bid.
क्या जजेस कभी इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग ऑफिसर रहे हैं? कोई भी जज कभी इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग ऑफिसर नहीं रहा. वो इन्वेस्टिगेशन में नुक्ताचीनी निकालने वाले रहे. लेकिन आप इन्वेस्टिगेशन के एक्सपर्ट एजेंसी नहीं हो. जजेस को ही कहना चाहिए था कि भैया आप हमें क्यों अपॉइंट कर रहे हो, सीबीआई को दो ना ये इन्वेस्टिगेशन. और मैं ये मानता हूं कि ये करप्शन को प्रोटेक्ट करने का एक्ट है. और मैं ये भी मानता हूं कि जो करप्ट है और जो करप्शन को प्रोटेक्ट करता है, दोनों बराबर के अपराधी. जब ये रिपोर्ट आई थी प्रेसिडेंट के पास, तो उनको सीधा एफआईआर दर्ज करानी चाहिए थी.
Let's now go across to my colleague Priyank Tripathi joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Priyank, these are explosive revelations that we have shown to our viewers here on Times Now. Can you tell us what happens next in this case? Have we got any kind of reaction from Justice Verma?
No reaction so far as far as the media is concerned, Hina, because what we know that he was told by the panel to put in his papers and resign from the post by 9th of May. But the time has already passed. That's why the government has started taking the second option, which was suggested by the panel for the impeachment of Justice Verma. We note for the fact that there are only two options before the government. One, to look into that whether the judge was actually incapable for holding the position or not. These are the process which was certainly taken into consideration by the panel of judges from Punjab and Haryana High Court, Himachal High Court, as well as from the Karnataka High Court. The three-panel committee had already submitted its report. Now onwards, what we can certainly see that once the motion is moved to both the houses of the parliament, there has to be a majority of 100 MPs in the parliament, in Lok Sabha, and 50 in the Rajya Sabha. These are the two factors which will be the considering factor before Justice Verma. But the manner in which the report has certainly turned down these kind of claims which came out from Mr. Verma, that there was no outsider involvement, which has been suggested in the panel. It has also been suggested that the key to this particular storeroom was only in the hand of the family members of Justice Verma. What committee has also pointed out the notings from the station house officer, who suggested that there was a pile of cash approximately around 1.5 feet tall, which was starting from one corner of the room till the another corner, which was certainly suggesting that the cash could be more than of 400 crore. But the big question is that who was the one who had given this cash to him? What could have been the purpose for which the inquiry is certainly calling for, but the committee unfortunately has not suggested any kind of investigation in this case by any competent authority, which is a very worrying turn.
All right, Priyank, thank you very much for the moment for joining us with your inputs on the story.